The law of reaping and sowing is not a respecter of any person. It doesn't matter how old you are, it doesn't matter how young you are, it doesn't matter the color of your skin. What matters is that you obey the law. I got this maize started last week, and we've had, the maize is really doing well, and we are about to transplant this maize. This is the first time that I'm doing this. I like experimenting a lot. Part of the reason is that it's really hot right now, and I wanted to control the process by starting the maize and making sure they germinate, so that immediately I plant them, I'm going to do some heavy watering and the maize is going to take off. Now we're going to take them to the garden where we're going to plant. Follow me as we're going to do that. It's been a disappointing year because as you can see, this corn looks can be very deceptive. The corn looks very healthy, but it didn't produce anything. What I'm going to do is chop down the corn because it failed to produce. The story of Jesus walking up to a fig tree, trying to get something to eat and not getting anything, and cursing that tree comes in my mind as I think about this, my corn here. I planted it, cared for it, and did everything I could, but unfortunately the corn decided not to be productive for one reason or the other. When you plant, you have to keep planting even when you have a failed crop. That shouldn't prevent you from planting. So I'm going to chop it down and plant. You don't stop planting because you had a failed crop. You have to keep planting. That's how we do it. There's no point to stop planting because you had a failed crop. Just have to plant it. I'm doing this because we need this to serve as manure. Now we have to get the soil ready to plant some corn here. It's a lot of hard work, but it's going to be worth it in a few months, maybe 3 months or so. It's going to be worth it. Peel it out. There it goes. Nice, beautiful roots. It's time to put this guy in the ground. Let it do his thing. You know, this is the best part. Actually putting something in the ground. Waiting for it to grow. See, the roots are already coming out here. You don't want to keep this for a long time. You do it, you're going to destroy the roots when you try to transplant. And the plant may have a hard time putting down roots. So this is the perfect time to plant it. Perfect timing here. Just turn it around, pull it out, don't take out the soil. You want to plant it with as much soil as possible. There you go, very easy to plant. It's not complicated. Done with the planting. Now we have to put in some water, because without watering it, those plants are going to perish
and die.
For the next couple of days, it's going to be intense watering because it's very hot and dry right now.
Yeah.
Hopefully the plants are going to take root and they will be able to survive on their own.
Yep.
You can hear my son's voice in here. I'm trying to pass this art of planting to the next generation. Thank you for watching. Share this video, subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for more updates as we watch this corn grow and produce. God bless you.